Hello my dear friends and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract a media from your PowerPoint slide. Also, you can apply the same rule with your Word or Excel file too. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here you can see I have a PowerPoint file which contains different slides with the images. One of the easiest way that normally people used to do is right click on the image and click on save as picture. And this is going to save your file as a picture. But if you have number of slides over here and number of images, and how you can extract all them in one go. So for this, I'm just going to close this file right now, and this is the file that we have opened. I'm just going to make another copy with the Control C and Control V. Okay, and for the extension, I'm just changing the extension from PPTX to CAB. You can also try with a zip file or a RAR. I normally do with the CAB, and just right click and extract it. I'm just going to say extract with this a folder. Okay, so here it is going to extract the file, and if you open it, you can see a folder named PPT. Same way, if you are using Excel, it will show XLS, and for the Word. Okay, and if I open it, you can see one of the folder media, and here you go. You can see all the images that are being used in your all the slides. And that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to put your comment below in this video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.